Article 224A of the Indian Constitution provides a mechanism for the appointment of retired judges to serve temporarily in the High Courts. Here's a detailed explanation of its provisions. Notwithstanding clause. This clause indicates that the provisions of Article 224 operate independently of other provisions in the same chapter of the Constitution, which pertains to the appointment of judges. Role of the National Judicial Appointments Commission, NJAC. The NJAC, upon a reference made by the Chief Justice of a High Court, can request a retired judge to sit and act as a judge of that High Court. This action is subject to the prior consent of the President of India. Eligibility. The person requested to act as a judge must have previously held the office of a judge in the same High Court or any other High Court. Request and consent. The Chief Justice of a High Court can make a reference to the NJAC to request a retired judge's services. This request requires the consent of the President of India before it can be acted upon. Entitlements. Retired judges who are requested to serve will receive allowances as determined by the President. While serving, they will possess all the jurisdiction, powers, and privileges of a sitting judge of that High Court. However, they will not be considered a permanent judge of that High Court. Consent of the judge. The article includes a proviso stating that no retired judge can be compelled to serve in this capacity. They must consent to do so. In summary, Article 224A allows for the temporary appointment of retired judges to High Courts to address specific needs, ensuring that their service is both requested through a formal process and consensual. This mechanism aims to provide additional judicial resources as required, maintaining the effective functioning of the High Courts. The Constitution of India. Part 6. The States. Chapter 5. The High Courts in the States. Article 224A. Appointment of retired judges at sittings of High Courts. Notwithstanding anything in this chapter, the National Judicial Appointments Commission, on a reference made to it by the Chief Justice of a High Court for any state, may, with the previous consent of the President, request any person who has held the office of a judge of that court or of any other High Court to sit and act as a judge of the High Court for that state, and every such person so requested shall, while so sitting and acting, be entitled to such allowances as the President may by order determine and have all the jurisdiction, powers and privileges of, but shall not otherwise be deemed to be, a judge of that High Court. Provided that nothing in this article shall be deemed to require any such person as aforesaid to sit and act as a judge of that High Court unless he consents so to do.